Hi, and welcome to 7399 North Riverside Drive, this incredible upscale Pinnacle home by Lennar. We can't wait to show it to you.
But first, we want to show you a few things that we love about this neighborhood.
Let's do it.
Okay.
The biking.
The 10th hole.
The dining.
The movies.
And the shopping. This upscale home features 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and 2,358 square feet. One of the things I really like about this kitchen is all the counter space for family gatherings. I really like the open concept design. This is the formal dining area, but it can also be used as an office space. And who doesn't like a laundry room with gas and electric hookup, lots of counter space and storage. Both the family room and the master bedroom have the wiring in the wall, so you can hang your flat screen and not have wires hanging down. This includes dual vanities with lots of counter space and a nice soaking tub. Another great feature of this home is the Jack and Jill bathroom that has doors for separation, and they each have their own closet and vanity.
Worried about your power going off? Well, you don't need to anymore. This Generac generator was just installed 2 months ago. Thanks for hanging out with us while we toured this incredible home.
If you have any questions or would like a personal tour, please reach out to us.
We'll be looking forward to it.